China INT Metal and Metallurgy exhibition succeed to the rich resources and experience of the 20 exhibitions, it attracts 200,000 professional purchasers.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
It has been attended by more than 30 countries' business departments and issued by more than 300 media. China Guangzhou INT Metal and Metallurgy exhibition will be held at the largest exhibition center in Asia. With the view of the world, experts predict that the largest exhibition in the line will be held in China in the future. It is sure that it can act as first-class stage and create business opportunities for you. A special promotion work group is working on publishing information of the expo through telephone, fax, mobile, email, post, industry magazine, website, newspaper, and TV. It will be distributed directly to the potential buyers of corresponding industries: hardware, automobile, building materials, petroleum, chemical industry, aviation, electric power, food, electronic, steel, furniture, medical treatment, packaging, metallurgy around the world. China International Metal and Metallurgy Exhibition is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.